Hello friends, welcome to EduTap. I welcome you all in this rapid session of current affair. We'll be discussing GA in news for 30th April, 1st and 2nd of May 2021. This session will be really very helpful for NABARD Grade A 2021, your SEBI Grade A 2021 and RBI Grade B 2022. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel for the free content and the notification of our session. So we are providing you daily series for general awareness, ESI current affairs, report and indices. So the superstar of the session are Akshay Gupta and Akshay Patel who have given the right answer to the homework question below my video. Thank you so much for answering friends and let's get started with our rapid session of GA. So your question number 1 is recently friends, April 2021, which of the following companies has announced $10 million package to help India fight COVID-19? Your options are option number A, Airbus, option number 2, Boeing, option number 3, Northrop Grumman, option number 4, Lockheed Martin, and option number 5 is none of the above. So what is the right answer to this question? So the right answer is friends option number B, that is Boeing. Let's discuss about this news. US based aircraft manufacturer Boeing announced $10 million emergency aid for India to support country's response against second wave of coronavirus. Boeing employees also have an opportunity, friends, to donate personally to charitable organizations supporting COVID-19 relief in India as a part of Boeing gift match program. So, about Boeing, the takeaway for the exam is, friends, its headquarters are in Chicago, United States, and CEO is Dave Calhoun. I hope this is clear to you. So, our question number 2 is recently, friends, April 2021, which of the following fintech companies has launched Wealth Community for young investors? Option number A is Apple Pay, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, or none of the above. So, the right answer to this question number 2 is your Paytm. Let's discuss about this news. Digital finance service platform Paytm has launched a new video based wealth community called Paytm Wealth Community. So let's discuss about this Paytm Wealth Community. It is an investing community based on what? Based on video and will enable user to attend live session conducted by subject matter experts on wealth topics such as stocks, futures and options, initial public offerings, exchange trade fund, mutual funds, gold, fixed income, and your personal finance. So about Paytm, the takeaway for the exam is friends CEO and founder is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. I hope this is clear. So let's move forward towards our question number 3. Recently, April 2021, which of the following organization has launched quick credit delivery scheme to support COVID-19 preparedness? Option number A is your NABARD, B is your SBI, C is your IDBI bank, yeah, SIDBI, none of the above. So let me know what is the right answer to this question. And guys, the right answer is option number D, that is SIDBI. So let's discuss about this news. Small Industrial Development Bank of India, SIDBI, has launched two new quick credit delivery schemes, that is SWASH, SIDBI Assistance to Healthcare Sector in the War Against the Second Wave of COVID-19 and AROG, SIDBI Assistance to MSME for Recovery and Organic Growth during COVID-19 pandemic, friends. So you have to remember the name of these two schemes. These schemes will provide funding for production services related to what? Supply of oxygen cylinder, oxygen concentrators, oximeters and essential drugs. The scheme in invests 100% funding up to the amount of 2 crores at an MSME unit at an attractive interest rate of 4.50 to 6% within 48 hours. So friends, one additional information also I want to share here, that is SIDBI has launched SIDBI Assistance to facilitate emergency response against coronavirus SAFE scheme in March 2021. So you have to remember the name of the schemes also. Let's move forward towards our question number 4, friends. Recently, April 2021, Justice Vimla Singh Kapoor has been appointed as Chhattisgarh High Court judge by replacing Who? Narendra Singh Chawla, Ashok Kumar Sahu, Sharad Kumar Gupta, Deepak Kumar Tiwari, or none of the above. So the right answer to this question is Sharad Kumar Gupta. Let's discuss about this news, friends. President Ram Nath Kovind has appointed Justice Vimla Singh Kapoor, an additional judge of Chhattisgarh High Court, to be a judge of the High Court in the state. She replaced Justice Sharad Kumar Gupta. I hope this is clear. So this is clear. So let's move forward towards our question number 5, friends. Recently, April 2021, who among the following has been appointed as the chairman of Bajaj Auto? Pradeep Srivastava, Rahul Bajaj, Neeraj Bajaj, Rajiv Bajaj, or none of the above. So the chairman of Bajaj Auto will be Neeraj Bajaj. So friends, let's discuss about this news. Auto Bajaj Auto non-executive director and chairman Rahul Bajaj has resigned from the company. In place of Rahul Bajaj, Neeraj Bajaj, who is a non-executive director of the company, will now serve as chairman of Bajaj Auto from May 1, 2021, friends, and Rahul Bajaj will serve as chairman emeritus of the company for the term of 5 years. I hope this is clear to you, and let's move forward towards our next question, that is question number 6. Recently, friends, April 2021, who among the following has been appointed as MD and CEO of Kotak General Insurance? I'm asking about Kotak General Insurance. So your option are Mahesh Balasubramaniam, G. Murlidhar, Suresh Agarwal, Uday Kotak, or none of the above. And the right answer for this question is, friends, option number C, that is Suresh Agarwal. Let's discuss about this news. Mahesh Bala Subramaniam has been appointed as the managing director of Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance. Remember this, he is the MD and managing director of Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance by replacing G. Murlidhar. And Suresh Agarwal has been appointed as the managing director and CEO of Kotak General Insurance. So this is, friends, General Insurance, and this is Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance. Okay, by replacing Mahesh Balasubramaniam, who is now appointed as the managing director of Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance. I hope this is clear to you. Remember these names. So the next question number 7 is, friends. Recently, April 2021, who among the following has been appointed as the Chief Financial Officer of Tata Consultancy Services? Your option is Samir Shekhsaria, V. Ramakrishnan, Rajesh Gopinathan, O.P. Bhatt, or none of the above. So the right answer to this question is, friends, option number A, that is Samir Shekhsaria. So let's discuss about this news. Samir Shekhsaria has been appointed as the Chief Financial Officer of Tata Consultancy Services by replacing V. Ramakrishnan. About Tata Consultancy Services, the takeaway for the exam is, friends, its headquarters are in Mumbai and the CEO is Rajesh Gopinathan. Remember this also. Let's move forward towards our question number 8. Recently, April 2021, friends, Pranav Ganguly passed away. He belonged to which of the following profession? Whether he was a poet, whether he was a cricketer, a writer director, football player, or none of the above. So Pranav Ganguly was a football player. Former India and Mohan Bagan winger Pranav Ganguly passed away, friends. He played as a left winger in 4 forward system and scored more than 40 goals for Bagan. He was honored with Mohan Bagan's Lifetime Achievement Award in 2020. So takeaway for the exam about Mohan Bagan is, President is Swapna Sadan Bose and it was founded on 15th August 1889, friends. So remember, Pranav Ganguly was a football player. I hope this is clear. So let's move forward towards our question number 9. Recently, guys, April 2021, which of the following institute tested the first ever electric tractor? Okay, so your options are Indian Agriculture Statics Research Institute, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, Central Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute, none of the above. So the right answer for this question is Central Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute. That is your option number D. So let's discuss about this news. The first ever electric tractor in the country has been tested at the Central Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute in Bhundi, Madhya Pradesh. Now Madhya Pradesh is mentioned here, so you have to tell me then all the national parks which are present in Madhya Pradesh below my video in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your response, friends. According to the test report, friends, electric tractor will be more environment friendly than other type of tractors. So this electric tractor will be more environment friendly. So question number 10 is World Malaria Day is observed on 25th of April. What is the theme for 2021? Reaching zero, ready to beat malaria, reaching the zero malaria target, zero malaria starts with me, or none of the above. And the right answer for this question is, friends, reaching the zero malaria target. Option number C is the right answer. Let's discuss this. Dr. Harshvardhan, friends, Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, chaired the Reaching Zero Forum on malaria elimination to celebrate World Malaria Day. So this World Malaria Day is observed on 25th of March every year, and the theme for 2021 is, friends, reaching the zero malaria target. We have discussed about 22nd of April and 22nd of March. So let me know which days are observed on 22nd April and 22nd March, and on 25th of April World Malaria Day is being observed, and remember the theme, that is reaching the zero malaria target. So friends, today is your revision test. You have to answer all the three questions in the comment section below my video so that in the next session I can take up your name. RBI has appointed Dash as the part-time chairman of HDFC Bank. So you have to tell me this question. Question number 2 is that has been appointed. Dash has been appointed as the first Indian American to be US Associate Attorney General. And our question number 3 is National Park of Maharashtra is what, and Madhya Pradesh also you have to tell me, because the first ever electric tractor has been tested in Bhundi, Madhya Pradesh. So you have to tell me the national parks present in Madhya Pradesh also. So this is EduTap Hall of Fame, guys. I want you all to be part of this. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Do connect me on EduTap at 1 p.m. on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.